ya Kisii nigo omorobori Nyarakobo kwariganiwa bene oyo Nyarakobo kwena na abamenyi be county ya Kisii bagakubwatuke birengeri byabo kubwatukana omorobori bobwagachi bw'ekinyumba kirigolirike
anigo abamenya babakumanyiwa ase chinsemo kiriya kibekire ensemo obwagachi oburachi kokorekana asensemo intangani yabage kokokera egetambukire kyo kurenda ensemo yendete kokere tigetambukire kyo asebe murunganiria ogochorwa guse chinsemo kyo chichorire nabo igo okobutorwa kwemeshara ase abakori emirimo beserikali
omuliki oito Julie Kerubo na Nyarakobo wikirana somo yego na gutwariganira roboti rokubatia
Geikaro nigo giakorwa imeya culture hall eri kwire birengerero korwa sabamenyi be county ya Kisii igoro yobwagachi bw'ikinyumba cy'amagori y'inse ase chinsemo imeya county ya Kisii Korengana no director of housing and urban development asensemo ya Nyanza Jared Boga chinyombe cyo nigo kirachi kwagacho asensemo ya Nyanchwa ogembo ne Kerubo ekyuke gotoka Nyaribari Masaba.
We have Nyanchwa 1 phase 1 which we are going to construct 160 units. The contractor have taken over site. 2 is the site in Ogembo in Bomachoge Chache Nyaribari Masaba in a place called Ekerubo. There we have project for 220 units. All those 3 sites that I've mentioned have the contractor have taken site and they are mobilizing to fully undertake the project.
Ensemo y'abamenyi be county ya Kisii nigo borokia okotaisanekane na mono igoro yoko na cyo emeshara nabo igasoga cyora chinsemo ase kinyombe cyo chikwagachwa.
We have raised a number of concerns. One of them, which was contentious for me, is the fact that the government was able to collect funds from us, from the government, from the pay slips, and the regulation only talks about, the Act of 2024 only talks about allowing the levies to be collected as soon as the bill is assented into. According to the Act, it was assented to on the 19th of March 2024. But civil servants have been having their pay slips deducted all the way from July last year. So it is not clear where the funds are going to. But one of the proposals we have made is that the money should be put aside so that it will be used as deposit.
When was the advert done so that we can know when and how the contractor was picked, and what has happened in respect to the involvement of the locals, because as the contractor is moving to site, we should be having such forums and functions across. And finally, we have not known exactly the criteria that has been used to identify these lots where the affordable housing is going to be done. And so my take, I will request that the CS housing and the PS should come down and really give us the practical part of it, not the narratives in terms of the law.
Ensemo yende y'abamenyi nigo borokia ogoisanekana gotebabuna nigo bakumoko bokumora ibwense eryo konya bali babwatokonyora ogoke.
Sisi kama wananchi wa Kisii County tunapongeza serikali na tunapongeza mradi huu wa nyumba ambazo ni affordable houses.
Nanya nabo buoga niga enekia bune birengererie ebyo ngo kigokorera bale emirimo.
So those concerns were very valid, and we have taken them for consideration so that the National Secretariat can effectively use them to enrich the Regulation 2024. Because today is the deadline to submit those submissions, we have given them room and given them the forms that they can use to make written submissions. But for oral submissions, we have taken them during the meeting.
Ingoripoti rigeta seni Ndizi TV, editarian Julie Kerubo.